This is the 1020 Batavia roof. Today is October 17th, 2016. This is the first rain after we had the roof redone by Randy Rains. You can see the new skylights, the new AC units. Not a lot of pooling around those AC units anymore. They're still pooling along the edge at the rear of the building and in the area by the skylights. I'm walking toward 1020A. The roof looks in really good shape. We haven't had any roof leak calls, so things seem to be sticking. This is the area above our office, those 3 air conditioners there. .1020 Batavia.